Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to explain how to connect Lovable to n8n. Let's dive in. So here's how it works. First, open your n8n workflow and click on the plus icon to add a new step. Then from here, you want to search for webhook. Then you want to choose the one that says starts the workflow when a webhook is called. Click that. Then from here, you want to change the HTTP method to post. After that, just copy the webhook URL provided by n8n. Next, you want to head over to Lovable and open the project you want to connect. In most cases, you'll want the workflow to trigger when a user performs an action like clicking a button. So let's do just that. But first, you want to click on Edit Icon. Then select the button you want to use, for example, this one. Then you want to be on the Ask for Quick Changes. From here, just type in add webhook, then paste your n8n webhook URL and press submit. Lovable will now send data to n8n whenever that button is clicked. So let's just wait for this one. But for now, you can go ahead and return to n8n and you can build whatever actions you want your workflow to perform once the webhook is triggered. As you can see, it's now processing, but that's pretty much how you connect Lovable to n8n using a webhook since there's no native integration yet. And that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!